GitHub's review tools let a real teammate leave line-specific comments, suggest exact code changes, and formally approve a pull request. In this video, you'll use all three real review features. This real GitHub feature attaches feedback to the exact genuine line it's about, not a general comment. A real suggestion lets the PR author apply the genuine exact fix with one click, no manual retyping. This real formal review status is what genuinely determines whether the PR is ready to merge, especially with required reviews enabled. GitHub lets a real reviewer comment directly on a specific line of code. Suggest a change creates a real, one-click applicable code fix. A formal approve request changes review genuinely gates whether a PR can merge. Leave a real inline comment and a real suggestion on a pull request. Ready to genuinely track a real bug from report to fix.